When did you go to Romania from Bangladesh?
I came to Romania from Bangladesh in 2023.
Great. How did you go to Romania? Did you go to Romania through any agency?
No, sir, actually, my uncle managed everything for me to go to Romania.
Very good. Do you want to live in Romania for a long time?
Yes, sir, I want to live here for a long time.
When can you get the permanent residency?
Maybe I can get permanent residency after the 5 years.
After 5 years. So after 5 years, you can move to other country.
Yes, sir, I can move other country.
Do you have any plan? Do you have any selected country?
Yes, sir, I have selected a country. This country is France.
France. So you want to move to France after 5 years.
Yes, sir.
In your English batch, with whom do you share your all problems of English?
Actually, in my group, I can share with Ismail most of the time.
Most of the time. So Ismail is your best helping partner.
Yes, sir, you can say Ismail is my best partner. When I am traveling on problem situation.
Okay, so when you face any problem.
Yes, sir. When I face any problem.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Maman.